Hey everyone, today I have my friend Maddie Webb here to show us how to prepare and make fruit salad. The ingredients you'll need for fruit salad are grapes, kiwi, pineapple tidbits, apples, strawberries, and mandarin oranges. Maddie is going to start off by washing all of the fruit including the cans. When you open your cans with the can opener, you don't want the dirt and dust to get into your can onto your fruit. After the washing process, you can start cutting your fruit. While draining the can of mandarin oranges, be sure to save some of the juice from the can into a cup so you can drizzle it over the fruit salad in the end. Once all of your fruit is sliced and into the large bowl, cover the bowl with aluminum foil and stick it into the refrigerator for 20 minutes to chill. After your fruit salad has been in the refrigerator for 20 minutes, go ahead and take it out and uncover the bowl. Take your mandarin orange juice that you left in the cup that was also in the refrigerator to cool back down and drizzle it over the fruit salad. Here's the finished product of the fruit salad. It's a very convenient and healthy snack with no added sugars. If you do decide to make this, I hope you enjoy it as much as we did. Thanks for tuning in.